In this video, we talk about iPhone 15 Pro Max versus Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max launched on September 2023 with a price tag of $1,199. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $1,299. The body dimensions: the iPhone 15 Pro Max height 6.3 inches, width 3.02 inches, thickness 8.3 mm. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra dimensions: height 6.39 inches, width 3.11 inches, thickness 8.6 mm. The weight of these devices: the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 220 gram and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with 233 gram. The build: the both devices come with front and back glass and titanium frame, and it comes with dual SIM, nano SIM card and eSIM supported.
Display.
The display of these devices: the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with LTPO, Super Retina XDR OLED 16mm color screen type, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x 16mm color screen type. The screen size: the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 6.7 inches and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra 6.8 inches. The resolution: iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 1.5K screen resolution and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with 2K screen resolution. And iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 460 ppi density. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with 501 ppi density. The both mobile come with 120Hz refresh rate, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 89.8% screen to body ratio, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with 89.1% of screen to body ratio.
Camera.
The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with ceramic shield glass. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with Gorilla Glass armor protection. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with 2600 nits peak of brightness and the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 2000 nits peak of brightness, and Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra have stylus pen 2. Let's go to the camera setup. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 48 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel periscope telephoto, and a sensor TO 3D ladder sensor depth, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with quad camera setup. The main sensor 200 megapixel wide, 10 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto, and a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 4K 8K 30 fps video. The front camera of these devices: the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with dual camera setup, 12 megapixel and a SL3D biometric sensor, and Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with 12 megapixel front camera, and it records 4K 60 fps video with front camera. The platform of these devices: the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with hexa-core CPU, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with octa-core Cortex-X4 CPU. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with Apple A17 Pro 3nm chipset, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with Adreno 750 GPU, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with Apple GPU 6-core, and iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with iOS 17. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with Android 14 One UI 6.1 operating system. The memory setup: the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 8GB RAM and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with 12GB of RAM. The internal storage is same in both devices: 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobiles. The battery backup: iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 4441 mAh battery and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with 5000 mAh battery. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 23 watt fast charging. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with 45 watt fast charging, and the both mobile come with 15 watt wireless
memory
charging, and it's come with 5G network support. Common and feature is same, but the iPhone 15 Pro Max have a Face ID unlocking system, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra have under display fingerprint unlocking. The iPhone 15 Pro Max got 18 points and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra got 25 points.
battery comms and features.